Loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lami ndinguThulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, 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 and welcome. And if you are my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Your love and your support really means so much. So in this vlog, siya emgidini. And there's gonna be probably snippets of what I get up to until then, because we don't know uba umgidi unini. But in a week's time kuzowenziwa umsezo, kuzosezwa. I think next week ngefire. Next week? I think Saturday. Tomorrow is the 1st, which is Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I think Saturday, because bangene Saturday, even though umgudubo ubusenzewa Friday. So Saturday kuzawenziwa umsezo. So i-date izawuphuma ngomsezo. I'll keep you guys posted. And I am traveling down ngebhasi, and I am meeting my husband there. We are anticipating the 11th of July for umgidi. And then bazophuma, that means baphuma nge-10 ke if umgidi uzoba nge-11, but that weekend after the 5th weekend, okay. So that's Saturday. So that's what we are thinking. So I am definitely going emgidini. Well, I'm hoping I am. I don't see a reason why. I am actually gonna travel on Friday. Galamini bephuma ngayo, so ndizawuphoswa kukubaleka kwabo beyongena ebuhlanti, unfortunately. But ndizabe ndikhona the morning of umgidi, the whole day of umgidi. And then we are traveling back. I would actually love to travel on the same day of umgidi, ndifike qhu ndibuye later on, so that I can be able to rest before I work on Monday. But because ndizonyuka nomyeni wami sizozama ukuvuka, or rather siphume emini, at least, between 12 and 1 o'clock, maybe sibe siyaphuma, and then siyaziba apha sizofika between 3 and 4 in the morning. I don't know. But yes, my loves, that's where we are going. I am literally just here to show face emsebenzini and go back ezilalini. So enjoy this vlog. Enjoy umgidi for me, if not for yourself. Okay. Sana, it's so cold. And because I'm just a girl, and because my husband is not here, we are banda, okay? We are banda. So that this is gonna keep me warm. It has to, right? It has to keep me warm. It has to keep me warm, son. I love it. It has to help, son, with my situation. Because what do you mean? What do you mean ndilala ndodwa? Umuntu wami ukhethe uSimi nesuthu likaSimi. Wanishiye eGoli. So now kuyabanda sana. Looks like there's someone here. Sana, ready to sleep ke ngoku. 2 blankets. On a serious note, I feel like my camera is skew. But on a serious note, hi loves. I just came back from work. Like I just literally walked in right now. My battery has 2 bars. But like I said, I just walked in here and I just was like, akumbani. Like there's load reduction from 5 o'clock until 10 o'clock. I'm gonna freeze to death by myself. So I just unboxed, I just unboxed the new blanket because Sana, I'm not trying to die here. I thought I was gonna get something to eat, or rather make something to eat up in Lille. But since I'm combined, I'm just gonna settle for bread, peanut butter sandwich. Guys, okay, I'm all over the place, but I struggle to keep eye contact. I notice that a lot about myself. Even now, I can tell that I'm not keeping the eye contact. So it is something that I really, really want to like do better on. And also someone mentioned that when I do unboxing, I always rush my unboxing and I don't really show it like they would like me to show them. Like I'm not detailed about it, like it's all rush, hush, hush. And I think that stems from one or 3 things. One, I'm not really like, okay, I do it because it's content. People consume it and people find it useful sometimes, and maybe a lot of times because I might show you something that you like and then you also go and get it because you need it or you like it, whatever the case is. Okay. And then number 2 is because I'm just not a flashy person yet. Let me put it that way. Who knows when I have billions of dollars in my bank account, how I would be. Because bathi imali iveza lento yiyo, you know. And mna ndiyazazi, I am a liker of things. I like nice things. And shame if probably bendine mali ende. Maybe I would be that person. I did, however, like unboxing zika Snekugu. Snekugu would collect all her unboxing or all her online purchases that she has not unboxed, or even in store purchases, and then just do a segment either in the middle, beginning, or towards the end of her videos, and then she just shows everything that she unboxed, right? But now, because I'm not someone who's really comfortable with that concept, I know that I hardly share prices, especially for things, because I believe that if I mention that I got this at home, if you go to the at home website or Bash website, you are going to find that thing, and maybe at a cheaper price than I got it, or at a sale, or whatever the case is, or at a normal price, you know. I'm just not comfortable with that concept. I know that in the past I probably have shared prices. I'm not sure. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I'm not sure. So I'm really not comfortable with that concept. And also, I don't know, it just, I like it when someone does it and proudly about it, but for me, it's not something that I would do. It rubs me the wrong way. Not that me personally, but I just consider the situation we are in South Africa, and me, you know, almost like flashing or showing off. I know it does not come that way to people that actually like that content, because I do like seeing or anyone unbox luxury goods, furniture, everything. But I just do consider a lot of people that watch my content, because I know that a lot of people that watch my content are not people that are in that league yet, and maybe Iguntwana Labo would be, but I'm sure, considering the numbers I see on my channel and the age group, they are not there yet. So I think the market also is not, I'm not that market, of unboxing and yes, I do a little bit of unboxing every now and again, because obviously toiletries, we get those like maybe on a monthly basis, and if you're trying to improve maybe your bedroom, your bathroom, you will get new items, but yeah, I appreciate the constructive criticism, and I really am going to do better whenever I have an unboxing. And yeah, so guys, I don't know, anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna sleep completely right now, like fall asleep or not, but I was planning on getting home and then uploading a vlog. I'm done editing vlog, yes, as Laleni. So I wanted to drop that vlog between 6 and 7. But now since kombani appa and my phone is literally on probably 4%, and Wi-Fi, obviously, because there's no electricity nayo icimile lapha endlini. So andiyazi, I think then we're gonna have to drop this vlog tomorrow, because I'm gonna upload it the whole night tonight. I'm gonna charge my phone when umbane ubuya, and then I'm gonna be uploading that vlog the whole night, depending on how long it's gonna take to upload, because it's quite a large file or folder. So yeah, loves, I am dropping a new vlog and I am starting a new one. This is a completely new vlog right now that I'm starting. So I need to do an intro for this, and I want to do the intro right now. I know the lights is not so grand, but I feel like we can make it work, I feel like we can make it work. Let me actually stand up and do this intro for you, my loves. And see, as but this is the beginning of a new vlog. Based on the vlog that I am dropping, by the time you're watching this, I've already dropped that vlog. You have already watched it, hopefully. And if you haven't, please go back and watch my previous vlog. And if you have time, can watch other vlogs as well in my playlist. I've created a playlist where you can watch a few vlogs and treat them as like a playlist. But yeah, Bendi City, let me get up and do the intro for you, my loves, and I'm sure we can make it work before it'll be really flash or pele. I think I was also saying something else, man, but I can't remember now what it was. Oh, we vlog here too. I have you guys enjoyed the previous vlog. Congratulations to the newlywed. Congratulations to the newlyweds. I hope you guys nizobambana ngalendlela ebenhleli nibambene ngayo throughout, and without now with us involved officially, because we were there, but being a condo official, but now that official, welcome to Ondaba Ochiba se Omtunga Onono Onkulunga Makoti. Oh, they gave you such a beautiful name. Ababalwe, Ababalwe Amandaba. Okay? So you are going to be a blessing. You are a blessing already. You're going to be a blessing to the family, to your husband, and to many, many children. To many, many, many children. Ozabazisa Kondaba. So congratulations, my love. And I'm so glad. I'm actually very, very, very happy that I have now, what do they call them? Sister in love, like umtu endende naye, you know, to the same family, and someone that I am familiar with, you know. So I'm very happy. Enkosi kuphutisabelo ngosizela nawe. And for ukuzela mantethele mna actually. Enkosi kuphutisabelo ngokundizisela ababalwe. Oh, bendifeel lonely. Bendifeel alone. But we are all gonna get to know each other. I was also so happy to be introduced by Uputi Anthony to unkosikazi wakhe. I actually did not get her name, which is rude of me, because we were working together the whole day there. But I'm sure I'll get it. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for this chapter in our lives. So we're gonna have many, many kids and many play dates, play nights together, because we sihlala eGoli, the two of us. I think she stays in Cape Town. I'm actually not sure. But anyway, guys, I am rambling too much. But thank you so much for showing me love in the previous vlog. I know you will. I'm trusting that you guys will love that vlog. And you will show me love. Let's get that vlog to 30,000 views within a year. At least I'm not reaching too much. I'm not asking for something, you know. But let's do it, okay? Let's do it. This year, I would love to get to, as I was saying, oh, this battery is flashing. I would love to get to 10K. I know I'm not even halfway 5K, but I want 10K. Anyways, let me do this intro. Also, guys, another thing that I noticed on the vlog, I giggle a lot, which I actually don't like when I'm actually behind the camera filming something. I giggle a lot, and it's side eye, bombastic side eye. So I need to actually be mindful when I pick up a camera and film for you guys, so that there's no too much background noise. And for Umgiti, I think I should actual film with the camera, because the camera, I have this mic and it only focuses on me or what I'm showing, rather than it being on my phone. My phone picks up all the noise. Or I should get a microphone for my phone. Maybe that's something I should also be considering. So yeah, those are the two things I'm considering. I don't know. Yeah. Good night for today. And I shall see you when I pick up this camera. I'm not sure when, maybe on the day when I'm leaving. I just ordered water. There's 2 bottles of water because I'm scared of drinking water from the taps. Because we had a situation where we didn't have water on the 30th, the 1st, the 2nd. I think I'm going to get 3rd of this month. So I was like, let me order water. That's my dessert. And I am gonna have noodles. I was actually supposed to, it's over in the basil, but I forgot. That's my order. I was actually supposed to I think 2 should be fine. This is literally how I sleep. I have my water bottle next to me. And yeah, I need to go and Tula impahla because I did laundry today. Need to put them in here as well. The pillowcases. Yeah. Yo, ezibuhlungu azipheli, okay? Ezibuhlungu azipheli. Good evening, loves. I just showed you guys now my Pick n Pay ASAP order. And what I'm gonna eat, I'm busy making that. If you hear microwave, it's that. So namhlanje ngumsezo. I'm here to give you guys an update about umgubho. Once we khona amakhonko angenayo bekhona umgubho. A week after kuye kube khona into ekuthiwa ngumsezo, and that's when the date of umgidi we will get to know it. So i-date yomgidi iphumile kuthiwa amakhonko ayaphuma nge-15, which is Tuesday. I was hoping, well, I thought it would be the 11th. If not the 11th, it will be the 18th, which is Friday. So now I don't know if I'm going to be able to go. I'm still waiting for my husband to find out, one, if there are people going to travel with their private cars so I can ride with them. Hold on. Yeah. And then two, if I can take, because if I am going, it means that I need someone who's going to travel Tuesday evening after 4, at least in the Pangelo Monday, Tuesday, and then travel on Tuesday evening, see Fike on the morning of the day of umgidi, basically. So as on Posa Makhwenku Baleka beyongena ebuhlanti, that's okay. I've seen that before, but I would love to attend umgidi. And also with that, we think it would be a great idea to take it with us iyongeza kwizinto ezizawukhutshwa from kulo mother-in-law, and nathi sikhuphe something. So that's what we are thinking. But if I am not you, I really wanted to attend it, but it's okay, since I wanted to attend it, since it was the one thing that I actually wanted to attend. Umgubho, I attended it by default. And what do I mean by default? It happened that umgubho plus utsiki is gonna be on the same weekend. So I was like, I would love to actually attend utsiki. So let me rather travel with my husband and ndiyobona utsiki, and then bese ndibone nomgubho, So I ended up being able to do those two things, or rather attending those two things. So umgidi was the one thing that I was sure that ndiyaye emgidini, and I might not andizuya emgubheni, but emgidini enzayo. But since ziye zadibana, I was like, opportunity presenting itself, I'm going. So that's how I ended up going emgubheni. I was literally gonna miss it, but now it looks like I'm gonna miss the main event, which is umgidi, which I wanted to actually attend. So I don't know if I'm sebenzini bazovuma, but I'm actually up to date with my work. I'm really up to date with my work. I just need to do a little bit of replacement of stock, and that's it, and then I should be fine. I also don't know about the emgidini, because I don't think that, since it's abasezindizeni, I would definitely not want ukunxiba umbhaco wam, because umhlophe, even though unayo i-binding emnyama, I still would not want ubasezindizeni with that. So there is a Germany, and not a German, i-skirt and i-faskot, enandiyiphiwe ekhaya xa benzisela izinto ezincinci zeti. Andikhumbula uba kuthiwa impindandlela, I think it's called. Xa bebenzisela indlela ngoku babenzisela izithebe, ingobozi, umchayelo, isicamba, into zeti, isonka, all those things. Baye bandizisela netop, neqhiya, nonondrokhwe plus nalo lento zendithetha ngayo. I really love it. It looks so good on me. And I like the cut as well. So I think that's what I want to wear for La Menu. It's brown. Then I can put on, maybe get a t-shirt. There is someone on TikTok that actually had a beautiful t-shirt, and I asked them where they bought it. They said at Mr. Price. So I might check that out. Excuse me. And wear that with that. And yeah, the downside about this is that I know iqhiya, but I do have lando yam nandithenge eToltema. It works perfectly because it's brown. I can actually wear that in the share is lalini because of that. And otherwise, what can I wear? I do have a full dress, but the full dress, I don't really know what's going on. It feels like it's true. But that's another option, maybe. I don't know. But that's where I'm at. I'm so bummed if I'm not going to be able to attend this. But I don't think emsebenzini is going to be a problem. Ndingaphangeli 3 days. I'm panging Monday and Tuesday. Ndingaphangeli Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And hopefully we'll travel early in the morning on Sunday so that I can dress and then be able to go to work on Monday. That's just the rambling and the update that I wanted to give you guys. Let me go. 5 minutes pelile ndipeke boiled eggs, and noodles zam are done. I'll show you guys a snippet of my meal. Then I'm gonna have dessert, and then I am going to watch a movie. Yeah, I'm gonna watch a movie. And yeah, my loves, the next time I pick up this camera will probably be on the day of traveling, if I ended up traveling to attend Umgidi, or I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, my loves. Oh, Sanalwam, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much for the love on my previous video, the one Yom Kubo. Oh, Sana, thank you so much. And also a huge shout out to Miss Zintlelimba. She goes by Conversations with a Z here on YouTube. Thank you so much. I owe you a big one. She actually plugged her 10.1 subscribers to check out my channel, because she knows that her people, or rather her audience, really loves content yases lalini. And she was like, you know what, since I haven't provided content yases lalini, let me just plug my people, maybe they would like your content as well. I was like, say less, Kesana. Oh, thank you so much. I grew so much, and the numbers don't lie. Like, the numbers don't lie. So thank you so much. She went beyond, above and beyond. She put my channel on her community post on YouTube. She went to Facebook, and then she went on Instagram to put my link. So thank you so much, Miss Zintlelimba. You did a big one for me, my sister, and I appreciate you so much, and I am forever grateful for what you have done, because you really did not have to, but from the goodness of your heart, you felt it right for you to do this for me. So thank you so much, my loves. I appreciate you so much. Tell me you are home alone without telling me that you are home alone. This is gonna slap. I can't wait. Hi. Hello.
Yebo mntazi njani?
Ndiyaphila, Nkosi njani? Yo. I just got off a call right now. I was just setting up this camera. because I wanted to come here and update you guys. And let me actually send this number, malume. Yo, malume. Yo, mzali noLenda. Ah, yo. Guy. Wayibona nina kanti kwenzekani? Yo, not me sending all of these to the wrong person. Guess son. Usiswini. Yo. Like, ezibuhlungu azipheli sana. Anyway guys, let me, oh, the one thing I wanted you to see was my face, but okay, it's already late now. It's around, yeah, that's the time, 18:30. What I wanted to show you, one of our cousins is living, so we want to give him lengubo at Travelisha Nayo because I need to buy my bus ticket. No, maybe tonight I need to go check and see if I can buy it for Tuesday evening. So we want to give him this because he's traveling with a car, and I think there are 3 of them traveling. So we're gonna give him this, and then ayo ingubo yethu yokumbathisa, well ingubo yokumbathisa, we're gonna add to whatever is there. So we're gonna give this blanket, ndifake umbhaco wam phana, ndafaka no machine wokucheba for my husband because he asked for it. So yeah, so yeah guys, that's all I wanted to update you on. So it is confirmed, ndiyagoduka, ndiyaya emgidini. There's load shedding here, or load reduction, whatever they call it, to make them feel better. And because there is that, I know I'm not going to eat right now. I'm gonna eat when umbano ufika. What I'm gonna do now is remove this makeup. I did a very minimum, and then I did like a highlighter here, and I think I want to do the same makeup for Umgidi. Emgidini andizonxiba umbhaco, ndizonxiba ijeremane, and then I think I'm gonna put this top on. But if kuyabanda, then I'm gonna put on a polo neck. I'm gonna put on a polo neck or pink, and I'm gonna put this. I do have this capacity pink, so I'm gonna wear brown with pink things, and then it's shangwini. I thought I was gonna buy a New Balance 350, but I'm choosing a fragrance instead of that for now. So I'm gonna get that. But that's all I wanted to update you guys. Have a lovely evening. I am waiting for my cousin Lo Otravelishayo Umzalo later to give me a call. Athathele ngoku, because then I'm just a girl and godukayo. The only thing I want to take with me is literally myself. So good morning, loves. Today is Saturday the 12th of July, 9:30. I am quickly going to see a doctor because I'm not feeling well. So I've already bought my bus ticket. I've already bought my bus ticket. So Tuesday we are leaving. Siye emgidini, ndihambisile ingubo, ndihambisile ihlangu that I think I'm gonna wear, and then ndihambisile umbhaco. I don't even think I'm gonna wear. I don't know what people wear, especially amakoti ababaphekayo, because I'm not sure if I want to unxiba umbhaco wam ezimbizeni, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm going to a doctor. Don't think I'm taking you guys with me, but I just want to update you. And I am great today. So yeah. Hi loves. So I went to KwaGqirha and I am back, and I just haven't not been feeling grand. I think ile flu yam ayifuna uphela exactly. That's the problem. And I had a minor headache. I do have every year I would experience what I think it is migraine. So I thought that's what I was experiencing. But I'm better now. And after coming back from the doctor, I went to Ehlahat. Specifically, I wanted to go to Clicks and ShopRite. So, Clicks and ShopRite haul. At Clicks, I bought these, which were things that I was actually not there to buy them, but they were on special. I wanted to buy more of these, but I wasn't sure since a lot of people said the smell of it was not so great. So I've tried this. I love it. I love the nozzle as well. So I think the reason why maybe it was on sale, this one, or on special, is because it probably leaked. And then I also got, obviously, the star of the show. I am going to cook ipapa. I'm going to cook pap, ne kapechu, ne chicken. Probably chicken yam zifaka carrots, difake green pepper, onion, and everything else with this. And then for my husband, because shame umuntu wami ndiyamazi ayesezilalini uyathanda uhamba, so I got him 2 mint lemons. Got him these sachets of honey and lemon. Is it ginger? Instant honeyed ginger drink. Got 4 of these. The one thing that I actually forgot to buy for him is Disprin, red Disprin. And I bought a ShopRite now. Ama apile green ones. Nenanchi. Because they say 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. Maybe I should actually do that a lot. And I've been drinking my water. I'm almost done with my 1.5. But yeah, you're big cheese, son. I couldn't. Anyways, my loves, I did my hair. I replait my hair, that is. I still need to finish this part, just this part here. It's not done, but everywhere else is done. And yeah, let me start cooking, because this is what I'm gonna have. And then I'm gonna have the apile ngoku nenachi, and then when I'm done cooking, I'll then have my food. So good night, or rather bye for now. I will maybe show you my meal, I'm not sure. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna clean tomorrow. It's not dirty. I had to clean Friday, so it's not dirty. It's just yeah, I'll clean tomorrow because tomorrow I don't have a lot to do. I've done all my errands today. So see you later on when I show you my food, and see you ezilalini, because I am not vlogging the traveling process. You guys know, after work I take an Uber to Sandton. I get something to eat. I get something to eat in Sandton, Gautrain. Sunscreen. I take a Gautrain to the park station, Johannesburg. Then from there I take my bus to Kuqumbu. So you guys know that already. You guys have seen that quite a lot. Now I am picking up this camera ezilalini and in Monisa umgidi the morning in the figure, because I actually don't know how. But the minute in figure, my husband is picking me up from a town Kuqumbu. Endlini ndiyahlamba, ndiya-ayina, ndiyanxiba, ndiya emgidini. Yeah, and then we are gonna be ezilalini for the rest of that week. I think we are traveling back on Sunday. I wanted to check my phone as to what is the date on Sunday. So we are traveling back on Sunday. Sunday will be the 20th of July. We are traveling back. I was hoping we would travel Saturday so that we can rest, because I'm going to work on the 21st, and I'm not sure if my husband is going to work on Monday too, or he's going to work on the 22nd. But yeah, my loves, we are coming back. Get 20. Let me cook. I've been yapping. See you ezilalini. Hi loves, ndifikile ezilalini and we are about to leave. Me and my husband. See you emgidini. So and this is my OOTD. Can you guys see me? Masiyama baby. Silate ngathi siyabahambi. Ingathi city visitors. Auntie, we are with the hosting family.
Hey.
Do you think the party coat here? You coat in the part? Do you think in the part and I coat? The maroon.
The coat is part of it. Oh, is that tell us
As always, as per normal, we are late. As if with the hosting family. But yeah, I just arrived You know, I just arrived. And I'm just a girl. Bagit. I just arrived. Okay. Don't know where my husband is. He's supposed to open the gate for me. So just done. I'm really fun.
Vela kwi-vlog umzali ngathi kasishoda
maza kaloku aba sizotya kuyatyiwa masitye mzala and xa khona xa nidla ngofaka lena inale nto ekuthiwa yalelo pipe yathetha lo pipe lo
kaloku maphotho
into zenzeka ke mzala ivele ke mzala
Uvelile mzala?
noba ndithe umzala wawo
hayibo ulibalakela ifoto yes girl savela ku-YouTube girl
Jika ntombi jika jika ujonge ikhamera
baba yini welilana
Umela umisana.
Aleba?
Usenza ngokujonga. Ngicela khabesi.
uyamazi sisiphelokazi njongo sisiphethi wasinoma khaya kwanjongo ngumakazi noma wethu umaxakho uye ivlog ngomakazi
Hayi sikhona kwi-vlog yakho sibeleke indoda sithi sibeleke abantwana sibeleke abandayo ufuna ifake kwamanzi
ngoba uyiphekile
umane uyenza
ibe manzi
Bensenza i-extension.
Oh, with my
Yeah, but he's 10.
Sonka, yo, mna ndazi kwanto nditsha brand new. Just arrived. Into zosikela isonka. Mna ngazi. Alukho lo. Umntwana bethulandile bakithi. Ngawina camera yami. Akazi. Come on, one man. So. Oh, phela la emthatha second. And then the second one, I should go and the time went to go. I'll say it's funny to see. Ngoba ndizofunda apha electricity 3 bekukhona ibisithi ndobizwa luyazi le iqala ukuyibona yayikhona kuze bathi umuntu hayi ndisaphuma siphumle izibazana umzali ndiyashuta malene Uchani dance? Ngiyabile Nkosi. Ngiyenzela bomi phini futhi ngingaboni. Ihlozi incodi. Okay. Ayithatha break. Ufika nini ngo? Ngiyafika kudala ngayazi ngifike into. Okay. Ngiyafika.
Nina?
Uchani? Right. Hi. I'm joining.
Sibonile. Alright, you can do I know. Nadia. Okay, all right. I want this. I'm just going somewhere. No, the packet. Very. They're right. Singapore.
Yes, Singapore. Ufika bakhoza bakhulu.
Sithi sisemgidini.
Ufika bakhoza bakhulu.
Siphoso. Sebefikile ndithi abantu bakulo mama.
Ewe ngaba lokho ababefika neveni ezintathu.
Ewe ne. Akunobo akubhedi.
Inaba basantya wethu. Inaba kaselide. Abengifike ngingale ento. Mina nje ngithathe iteki.
Uzonxibile into zale ha.
Bese ngine kameruni. Ngifake ikawusi. Khulula lama ezigqama
amaqhusi. Boots. Asinanto kodwa nazo. Asinanto kuba zingena. Boots is ndithi azinangxaki nazo kuba zingena unless uyachaka. Siyakutshisa. Andiboni into wrong. Unless ufuna uba comfortable ke. Ngoba imini send. Dressel young.
Ndihamba ke kuseni ekuseni.
Mama?
Ithele xesha lo ndizovuka ndiphangele ngomso.
Nyani?
Befuna ngiphangela nje namhlanje nayizolo.
Sayiphelile leave.
Phangela
Mamuna, how many years of service?
35.
My brother retired last month. No, this month. Yes, he's retiring this month.
Lo wayithetha phaa esingcwabeni sikatata wakho.
Uyatraina notraina, so andimazi ke uba uphi exactly.
Uyatraina.
Ewe, amapolisa kwi-academy lipha eMthatha.
Ayingozandile.
Kuye. Kasemhle.
Hey, lo mjingo.
Kasemhle nje. Prepared uba ndihamba.
Oh, ayizompahla.
Uzakwazi uvula ngapha ngakwema? Kweli donga. Iyavuleka ne?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Lapha segaraji.
Imoto kanti. Chinja wachinja wathi wow. Wajika kwakuka wokosa.
Uzofuna kuwe ke.
It is a shame.
Molo. Sister. Sister Molo. Unjani? Hayi, ndifika namhlanje ekuseni. Uthini? Bayakulandela kulo.
Thank you.
Soldata,
Ile mali kadibalisana. Eda ifuna lapha kusadi. La kutata silisi leyo apha. Usosuthu. Yavitelaza kodwa lo. Sisa lo nto.
Utshela senza bhetele. Sizamshidina, ngona senza bhetele. Unakhona. Utshela senza bhetele. Ikhona nale. Yabalisa lo.
You say you record already. Press the one down. Yeah.
No, open
Ne-voucher kubu-village ku-English department sithe sawujonga sakho bazange sayibona into enje abantu basebenza usukela ngoJanuwari uzoma ngoku sakhona uba masimyeke udokwana masijonga apha ebazalini
Idisa, hayi yatshonilanga.
Nathi nengubo. Ingubo nayo ifokabusha. Kila apha ibusha kwamawawa kwatutwala kwabhola koqosha kana kwenze kufanele abakhulu. Yo. Kodala.
Uyithabazala manje.
Kabubanda. Uthwale kungaphuthu. Nathi nepeki. Uthi kakwazi babeseni. Utye kabuhle. Apha kwamthimkhulu. Andiyazi ke le noba yitshemba nayo ucamele noba yintoni. Inayo ikomiti kodwa zenazi yona. Yo. Wadala. Hayi maslubo hayi.
Yes, Gabriel.
Ekhaya ajuzutsho into bayintoni uthetha notata wakho kwaye namazozo ikhona into yaphaya emoyeni ekhona apha sekwaba rongo apha emhlabeni into basibesitsho leyabaut into ndizoyenza nyana
Thank you.
Wemba bye-bye. Uyadliwa zinsipho bantu babamthi.
Uyaqoza uba baphelile abantu kucela abantwana. Sihambe nabo abembesa babaphelile kucela abantwana. Ucobani Scozi uba baphelile abantu abembesayo kucela abantwana. Lokho ujabe jamila ngabo.
Nansi komkhehle. Esuka pha. Kwamakhulu wakhe nosiphephana. Sisuke ngaboduli pha kwathi ungwenduna kwedini. Sithuka.
Hi loves, I am in the car. I ran away from the noise, but we still have to do dishes.
The next day.
It's not, make sure. It's not looking good, brother.
Thatha kwam mavet.
Sibahle. Abantu imodi kumodi.
No. Ndiyaphela.
5 liters.
Ayiyekuphuka.
Right, nobengako.
No more fight.
Kamindo. Unifuna ngoku mlanda intombi ntwana mdala. This is the end of Umgidi vlog. I didn't even take a picture of what I'm wearing. That's how hectic things were, or rather I just didn't get the chance to take a video, or rather a picture of myself. But I tried to vlog for you guys. I tried to, you know, show you guys a little bit of what I could get, because only this morning, and ezinye izinto zenziwe yesterday, ezinye izinto zenziwe this morning. So I could only show you guys what I could show you, and I hope it's enough to pull up a vlog. And thank you to my sister-in-law Ukolosa for taking your content for me as well while I was busy with upaka and stuff. So yeah, my loves, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show me, and I shall see you in my next video.